Thank you for clicking on this video. This is how my look turned out today. If you like this look and you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. If you like this look but you don't really care how I did it, I ask that you please still like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. You can also follow me on Instagram now at jinx2109. I'm excited to start connecting with my viewers more, so thank you very much and I hope to see you there. So I've already cleansed and prepped my face and I have eye cream soaking in right now. So the first thing that I always do is my eyebrows. The eyebrow product that I am using right now is the Auburn color from Silk Naturals brow creams. You can see how worn it is. This has probably lasted me two or three years ago. It's 2 or 3 years ago, and I'm just now kind of getting to the bottom of it. I'm using EcoTools Beauty Blender. The foundation I'm using is from the All Natural Face, their vegan cream foundation. The All Natural Face is a very affordable company that makes great products, and most of their products are also vegan. So if that is important to you, definitely go check out that company. I'm gonna let that warm up and soak into my skin. So in the meantime, we can get started with the eye makeup. I always use Brija's adhesive eye wax, and all of the products that I'm using will be linked down below. Her eye wax is absolutely amazing. It has been the only eye primer that actually works for my ridiculously oily eyelids. I'm just gonna rub in that eye cream a bit. It's almost all the way absorbed. I'm gonna rub that eye primer into my bottom lash line as well. So I am going to start off with Shiro Cosmetics eyeshadow in subject name here. Sorry, all my products are so like dirty and used. They're not dirty, it's just they're well loved. Gorgeous, peachy, very subtly shimmery color. Wetting my brush and patting it on over the entire lid. I kind of pack on my eyeshadows a lot, which is why I am dabbing. I like to keep the eyeshadows very wet because it helps it really to set into place to keep it from falling out. Speaking of fallout, I have a second channel called Tributelli where all of my nerd stuff is going. So if you're into nerd stuff, I'm going to be having more videos coming up there about cosplay stuff. I'll be transferring the cosplay videos from this channel over to that one, and it has tribute videos, music videos that I used to make a long time ago, but I will be uploading a Fallout video that I think if you're interested in gaming or Fallout 4 at all, go and check out. It's lots of fun. If you're here on this channel and you're also into nerd stuff, I love you, and I would love to see you over on that channel as well. Bringing that down into the corner of my eye as well. Next, I'm using Canary, which is a beautiful matte canary yellow from Silk Naturals. All right, that's not really turning out to be quite as pigmented as I was hoping. So what I'm gonna do is use another Shiro Cosmetics color in the Truth Pure White. All right, this looks pretty crazy right now, but it will all come together. Making sure it's dry first. Blend out that top part, the top line there, but I want to leave these corners. And then we're also going to blend out the middle. Now we're going to give this yellow a little bit more depth and vibrancy by using Cornucopia, which is from the Hunger Games set by Shiro. It is a dark gold that will blend very nicely with the yellow that I have already used, as I spill it everywhere. Or just blend in the color from the edge of it. We want to keep that sharp edge. We're going to make it stand out more by creating more contrast around the yellow. So always going with the eyeshadow wet and then dry to create more vibrancy. I'm going to take that fluffy blending brush that we used earlier, with a little bit of white. I'm going to bring it down into the inner corner. So taking that flat brush again, I'm going to use the darker Cornucopia color. And we'll lightly blend that together. Next, I'm taking a tiny little smudge brush. I'm going to take the canary color again, but first, not my waterline, but just the bottom lash line. And I'm smudging in that white wing that I made into the lower lash line. So it's very important that you frame your eyes right after this, which is why I'm going into an eyeliner. I'm using dark brown, and it's called Hot Fudge Brownie, and it's another fabulous product by the All Natural Face. Love the little brush tip. Love that in an eyeliner. I'm going right on top of that white line. And my trick for getting your eyeliner as even as possible is to just do that flick first and do it on each side instead of doing your entire eyeliner on one side and then trying to do it again on the other. So kind of break it up in parts. Okay, so you see how I've kind of gone from this outer line of my pupil, not my pupil, my iris. And then I'm just going to, so that was the second step. And the third is to go from the inner corner up to that line with as small a line as possible. Oh, frick. Everything's fine. I can breathe. So I'm taking that smudger brush again, and I'm going in with this color, which is a light, kind of a cool brown. I'm ever so lightly taking that into the outer third of my bottom lash line. Okay, third-ish. So now I'm going to use this sheer, beautiful blush. It's a pinkish blush with gold shimmer. And now I'm going to use a flat kabuki with the Refreshing Mist Translucent Finishing Powder by Coastal Classic Creations. The T-zone is where I put the hairline, and the T-zone is where I put my finishing powder. It seems redundant to me to put so many powders over something that you're going to be putting highlighter on, because like you're just covering up your natural shine to replace with other shine. Makeup is so ironic. I'm going to be using this highlighter also from Brija Cosmetics. I don't know what color it is. It's this color. It's a really nice neutral rosy gold pink color, very light. And I'm going to warm it up on the back of my hand first. This just gives a really subtle shimmer. I'm going to use my Tweezerman eye curler, eyelash curler, and then we'll use mascara. And the mascara that I'm using is in the color Black, and it's from, I don't think this is Silk Naturals. I could be wrong. I'll put it down below. It smells good. Oh wait, I feel like this needs a bottom lash too. So for the finishing touch, I'm using a kind of a peach color in Orchid from Be Natural Organics. It's completely matte colored, but it's not a matte lipstick. Very impressed though. With this company so far, because their lipstick, this lipstick has been, as you can see, very well pigmented. And they are super creamy, super duper duper creamy. That's a good transfer. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please press the like button down below. And if you have any questions or comments about the look or the makeup or the companies I've used today, please just comment down below. I love seeing your comments and replying to them. And please subscribe to my channel. It supports me and lets me know that you want to see more videos. I already said that. I don't need to say it again. Why do I ramble so much? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead. Why do they always say that? Why do YouTubers always say that? Or especially beauty gurus. Not a beauty guru. Stop pretending. I'm gonna use, gosh dang it. You know, sometimes you just gotta leave it, because if you try to fix it, it just. So now I'm going to go in with this. So now I'm going in. If you do like this look, but ooh, I'm exciting. Am I? I don't know. I hope so.